So I've just had my worst ever gardening failure, the main crop onions, which followed my second worst gardening failure, the overwintered onions. And the first time I think put down to the weather, and the second failure I put down to the wrong variety of seeds being provided to me, and maybe a little bit of the weather as well. And a lot of people say to me, "Why are you worried about it, Steve? Why did it bother you? You know, because onions are really cheap. You just pop down to the supermarket or go to a wholesaler and just buy a sack of onions for £20-30 and you're sorted." It doesn't feel like that as a gardener. It feels more like you've trained for a whole year for an event, a really important event, and your whole family's turned out to watch, and all your YouTube followers are watching, and you know it's really important to you. You've put a lot of effort and time into this event, and you feel really good about it, and you've got a lot of experience, and as I say, a lot of training, and yeah, you're primed for winning. And then something happens in the race. You know, somebody trips you over, you sprain your ankle, some freak event. Nothing to do with your training, nothing to do with all that experience that you put in, and you kind of limp right home, you know, in 100th place. And, you know, people say, well, you competed, it's all about taking part, it's not about winning. It doesn't feel like that on the day. It feels like you're lost. It feels like you put a lot of effort in and you got no reward. It's grim. It feels grim, you know, and it doesn't matter that it's £30 worth of onions. It doesn't matter that we've probably got enough just about to get through until next year, maybe if we're really lucky and they keep better than I expect them to. None of that matters. It's just grim. So today, you know, I'm down on the allotment. I chopped up all the onions. I don't want to see an onion. I don't want any onion stalks anywhere. I don't want any discarded onions, you know, kicking around on the paths. I want to see an onion now for a week. I don't want to eat an onion probably for a week. I just want to banish onions from, you know, the allotment and not think about them. And I will get round to processing them and tidying them up and all of that sort of thing. But for now, what I want to do is tidy the allotment plot up so it looks nice. So I want to be here. And I want to get all the beds that have those onions in prepared for the next crop and get that crop planted as quickly as possible. So I'm not staring at those empty beds taunting me. And then next week I'll feel fine. It doesn't help. I've just about got over COVID, still feeling a bit, still tired and achy, and looking forward to next week. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.